What's the meaning of commiserate? Commiserate. Commiserate.
Commiserate. Commiserate. Commiserate means to express sympathy or sorrow for someone who is experiencing pain or suffering. When we commiserate with someone, we are acknowledging their emotions and demonstrating our understanding of their situation. This can help the person feel less alone and more supported, as well as validate their feelings. Commiserating can also build stronger connections between people by showing that we care about each other's well-being. Ultimately, commiserating is an important aspect of empathy and social bonding, allowing us to navigate difficult times with others and build deeper relationships.